As a program management expert, I often emphasize the importance of streamlined operations and integrated systems for any successful venture, especially for small businesses. When it comes to financial management, payroll is a critical function that, if not handled efficiently, can become a significant bottleneck, diverting valuable time and resources away from core business activities. This leads many small business owners and program managers to ask, does FreshBooks include payroll? The short answer is yes. FreshBooks now offers an integrated payroll solution, but it's important to understand the nuances and how it fits into your overall program management strategy. For years, FreshBooks was primarily known for its robust invoicing, expense tracking, and basic accounting features, catering perfectly to freelancers and service-based small businesses. However, as these businesses grow and begin hiring employees or engaging more contractors, the need for a seamless payroll solution becomes paramount. FreshBooks has recognized this need and evolved its offering. FreshBooks Payroll, powered by Gusto. Instead of building a payroll system from the ground up, FreshBooks has strategically partnered with Gusto, a leading name in online payroll and HR services. This collaboration means that FreshBooks users, specifically those in the United States, can now access comprehensive payroll functionalities directly within their FreshBooks account. This is a significant win for program managers and small business owners alike because it addresses a common pain point: having to juggle multiple disconnected systems for accounting and payroll. What does FreshBooks Payroll offer? From a program management standpoint, the key benefits of an integrated payroll system are efficiency, accuracy, and compliance. FreshBooks Payroll, powered by Gusto, aims to deliver on these fronts. Unlimited payroll runs. This is crucial for flexibility. Whether you pay weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or even need off-cycle runs for bonuses or commissions, FreshBooks Payroll allows for unlimited payroll processing. This ensures that your team is paid on time, consistently, and without extra fees for additional runs. Automated tax calculations and filings. One of the most time-consuming and error-prone aspects of payroll is calculating and filing payroll taxes. FreshBooks Payroll automates federal, state, and in many cases, local tax calculations and handles the necessary filings. This significantly reduces the risk of penalties due to incorrect calculations or missed deadlines, a major relief for any business owner. Direct deposit. Paying employees via direct deposit is standard practice and highly convenient. FreshBooks Payroll facilitates direct deposits, ensuring funds land directly in your employees' bank accounts, eliminating the need for printing and distributing paper checks, W-2s and 1099s. At year-end, generating W-2s for employees and 1099s for contractors is a mandatory task. The integrated payroll system automates the creation and filing of these crucial tax forms, streamlining your year-end compliance process. Employee self-service. Empowering employees is good program management. FreshBooks Payroll allows employees to access their pay stubs, W-2s, and other relevant information online, reducing administrative inquiries and freeing up your time. Seamless integration with FreshBooks accounting. This is perhaps the biggest advantage from a program management perspective. When payroll is processed, the corresponding transactions are automatically recorded and categorized within your FreshBooks accounting ledger. This means real-time financial insights. You get an instant, accurate picture of your business's financial health, including payroll expenses, without manual data entry or reconciliation between separate systems. Reduced manual errors. Automating the data transfer minimizes human error, ensuring your books are always synchronized. Time savings. No more exporting payroll data from one system and importing it into another. This saves valuable hours that can be reinvested into strategic growth. Simplified reporting. Payroll expenses flow directly into your financial reports, making it easier to analyze profitability and manage cash flow. Who benefits most from FreshBooks Payroll? While the integration is broadly beneficial, it particularly shines for small service-based businesses. FreshBooks' core user base, including consultants, creative agencies, web designers, and other service professionals, will find this integrated solution incredibly valuable as they scale and hire their first few employees or manage a growing roster of contractors. Growing businesses. For businesses transitioning from being sole proprietors to having a small team, this unified platform simplifies the complexities of payroll management. Businesses prioritizing simplicity. If you value an intuitive user interface and an all-in-one approach to your financial management, FreshBooks Payroll fits the bill. US-based businesses. It's important to note that FreshBooks Payroll, powered by Gusto, is currently designed for US-based businesses. Businesses outside the US might need to explore alternative payroll integrations or standalone solutions. Considerations for program managers. While FreshBooks Payroll is a strong offering, as a program management expert, I'd encourage you to consider a few points. Pricing structure. Payroll is typically an add-on service to your existing FreshBooks subscription and is usually priced per employee/contractor per month, in addition to a base monthly fee. Ensure you understand the total cost based on your team size. Feature depth. While comprehensive for most small businesses, very large organizations or those with highly complex payroll needs, e.g., intricate benefits administration, multi-state tax complexities beyond standard calculations, might require a more specialized, standalone HR and payroll platform. However, for the typical small business or program, FreshBooks' integrated solution is likely sufficient. Integration with other tools. While FreshBooks Payroll integrates seamlessly with FreshBooks' own accounting, consider if you use other specialized tools, e.g., advanced time tracking apps, and how they might integrate, if at all, with the payroll feature. Often, FreshBooks' built-in time tracking is sufficient for many. Support and expertise. Having an integrated system means a single point of contact for support on both accounting and payroll through FreshBooks channels. This can be a significant advantage compared to troubleshooting issues across disparate platforms.